Links to our other videos, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you. This video is about making a revolving handle for trick rope spinning. I think you'll find this interesting. It's very easy to do out of readily available materials. Now, this is a 15-foot long cotton trick rope made by Western Stage Props. I bought it off Amazon, and this is kind of a standard type of rope they use for these sort of things. So we're going to use this for this little demonstration. A long time ago, I always wanted to learn how to spin a rope. I never could do it. A couple of weeks ago, I came across a how-to video from Winrich, a professional whip cracker and rope spinner. He did a good job of explaining how to get started, so I gave it a try. And he did point out, though, that one of the problems you have is the rope is twisting, and you have to twist the end of the rope with your fingers to keep the whole thing twisting up. Let's give it a try, see if I can do this. You'll be able to see I'm no professional rope spinner. I just learned how to do this the other day. I'll just hold on to it without twisting it in my fingers. A little hard to see, but this rope is definitely twisted. So let's untwist it. And now I'm going to try to use my fingers to keep that twisting from occurring. Well, I can do it, not good at it. It's a hassle. So I thought, what can I do to rig up some sort of a handle or something that will spin and rotate so I don't have to twist this thing with my fingers. So I came up with something real easy to do. We'll give that a try and I'll show you what I did. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do, if you haven't done it already, is wrap up the end of your rope. Cut it to the length you want. In this case, it's still roughly 15 feet, the way I purchased this thing. I like to use black electrical tape, but there's other types of tape that will work. And just wrap the end of it real good, hold it tight. Helps prevent fraying, and you're going to need to hold the rope together while you're going to be putting a screw into it, so you can't afford to have that rope coming apart on you. Find yourself a piece of pipe. This is something I had laying around. It just easily fits over it. The size really doesn't matter that much. This is about 6 inches long. You want to make sure it spins freely on there. Find yourself something like about a 1-inch fender washer like this, and something like a wood screw or a sheet metal screw with aggressive threads. This doesn't have to be stainless like these are, but all you got to do is then just simply get your screw started in there, and then just screw it in, hold the washer on there. Make sure you hold it straight so the screw doesn't come out of the side of the rope. Leave a little bit of slack in it. You don't want it too tight. There you go. A revolving handle for trick rope spinning for you beginners like me. I've added the little pipe handle, revolving handle that I made. Let's give this a try. By the way, don't even begin to try to learn how to do this from what I'm doing. I'd highly advise you to watch Winrich's video. There'll be a link in the description of this video, and I'd highly recommend you watch that. There's also a lot of others out there too, not just him, but he does a pretty good job. See, just holding the handle, I don't have to twist the rope. Makes it a lot easier for me anyway. You professionals watching this, if you are, think that's ridiculous. But for a beginner, this can help. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Check out our other videos. Like the video, we'd appreciate it. Thank you.